My name is Billy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an interactive slideshow on InDesign. As you can see, this is InDesign. Obviously, make sure that when you do this, make sure that the reference point in the top left hand corner is in the middle, otherwise it won't work. The next thing you do is obviously, let me just get it right quick. You select an image, then you hold down Shift on the keyboard, and then you select the next image, you select the next image, then you select the next image. Now, bearing in mind, you can do this with 2 images, 4 images, 6 images, 8 images. However many images you want, you can do it with. It doesn't really matter. So, after I've selected all my images, I want to go to Windows. Then I want to go to Object Layout. Then I want to go to Align. After I've selected that, this little thing comes up here. Now, as you can see, they're still all selected, all the images. I want to click on Align Horizontal Centers. So make it into the center. Then I want to align vertical centers so that it's in the middle, like as you can see. Now what I want to do is I want to go to Windows again. No, before I do that, I want to minimize this. Now I want to go to Windows and then Interactive and then Object State, and then this little thing comes up. Now I want to convert selection to a multi-state object. And what that does is it puts all these images into, obviously, on a page like this. Now we just literally minimize that. Now what I want to do is get buttons. Now after I've got the buttons, what I want to do with this button is I want to convert it to a button. So you go to the button forms page here, as you can see, and then you want to go right down to here where it says convert to button. Well, after I converted it to button, information comes up saying on release or tap, and then we've got this little actions section here. Now it says add new section selected event. So then what you want to do is, it comes up with all this. It comes up with go to destination, first page. What we want is go to the next state. Now it goes to the next state. So now and under this it says stop at the last state. Select that, which means it will stop at the last image that you want the image to stop at. So whatever the last picture is, it will stop. So now you just minimize that one now, and then you go to the next button, which is over here. Let me just move it over here. Now you go to buttons and forms again. You convert to button again. Then you literally just press action, and then this time you want to go to previous state, because obviously you want it going back. Now then, like the same thing again, it says instead of stopping at the last state, this one will stop at the first state. Now you want to minimize that, and then once it's all done, this is all done, you want to go to File, you want to go to Export, and once you've exported it, this little section comes up. We're going to name it Video, and when it says Save as Type, it will automatically bring up Adobe PDF Interactive. What you want is you want to change it to Flash Player SWF. So you click on that, you press save. We're going to save it as video, and you press save. Then all these images, all this stuff comes up. You just leave it the same basically. Then you press OK. Then object, and then it comes up as like an actual web page, and then you click on that. The next state, boom. And then look, as you can see, because I told you to stop at the last state, it won't go anymore. Now go back, and it won't go no more. So that's how you make an interactive slideshow. Thank you.